Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a water cycle in a bag. So I have given you this picture so that you kind of know what it looks like. And for the parents, if you are going to draw directly on the bag, you will need permanent marker because washable marker will smear. So you have a choice of drawing it directly on the bag, or I have provided a sheet that is the same size of the bag if you want your child to color it, and all you have to do is tape it to the outside back part of the Ziploc like that. And then once you are done with that, all you're going to do is put water inside of the bag up to this line, zip it up, and then tape it to the window to watch the water cycle process. And also, if you have blue food coloring, it'll be really fun if you put 1 drop of blue food coloring so that they can see it better, but that is up to you. Alright, I hope you guys have so much fun doing this project. See you guys later. Bye!